Main features FTGS. Minimum ballast resistance equal to 2 ohm per kilometer. Train shunt resistance equal to 0.5 ohm outside the tuning zone. Train shunt resistance equal to 0.15 ohm inside the tuning zone. Power consumption equal to 65 volt ampere to 90 volt ampere. Rail types equal to 90 pound, 52 kilogram, 60 kilogram. One transmitter can coupled with maximum 3 receivers. Remote feeding equal to 3 km, 0.9 millimeter diameter quad cable. Cables for feed in and feed out. Quad cable 0.9 millimeter diameter copper conductor as per specification IRS TC30/96. Modulation frequency shift keying. Bit pattern coding. 15 types. Transmission speed 200 bits per second. FTG S46. Operating frequencies F9 4750 Hz, F10 5250 Hz, F11 5750 Hz, F12 6250 Hz. Frequencies at gap of 500 Hz. Length of tuning zone equal to 14.8 meter with single cable. Length of tuning zone equal to 17 meter with multiple cable. Length of track circuit equal to 250 meter to 350 meter end feed. Length of track circuit is equal to 500 meter to 700 meter center feed. Power consumption standard configuration ST 80 VA approximately 32 watts, center feed in M90 VA approximately 40 watts. Remote feeding FTGS 46. Diameter of quad cable used 0.9 millimeter. For axle shunt value is greater than or equal to 1.0 ohm. Length of transmitter cable is 3 km. Length of receiver cable is 2.9 km. FTGS 917. Operating frequencies F1 9500 Hz, F2 10500 Hz, F3 11500 Hz, F4 12500 Hz, F5 13500 Hz, F6 14500 Hz, F7 15500 Hz, F8 16500 Hz. Frequencies at gap of 1000 Hz. Length of tuning zone equal to maximum 6 meter. Length of track circuit equal to 30 meter to 220 meter end feed. Power consumption standard configuration ST is 65 VA approximately 26 watts. Point tracked W is 75 VA approximately 30 watts. Center feed in M is 75 VA approximately 30 watts. Crossing track K is 85 VA approximately 38 watts. Remote feeding FTG S917. Diameter of quad cable used is 0.9 millimeter. For axle shunt value is greater than or equal to 1.0 ohm. Length of transmitter cable is 1 km. Length of receiver cable 1.5 km. For the actual shunt, value greater than or equal to 0.5 ohm. Length of transmitter cable is 1.4 km. Length of receiver cable is 1.5 km.